How to be the seller that buyers want to work with. This is what we want to see from you.
We'd like to see a tidy, organized, well-staged home.
When you see that the maintenance items are taken care of, the gutters are cleaned, the front porch is swept, all the things, the spices are organized in the drawer, you know that these sellers are taking care of business.
When selling, also, curb appeal is a huge thing. So when you drive up to the house, if there's things in the yard, that's the buyer's first impression. Is that the first impression you want to make?
Absolutely. And what kind of information are sellers providing to potential buyers and their realtors? Do they have well records available, septic records, wet inspections for their wood stoves? When you have all this documentation in order and you can provide it to a potential buyer, it just sets the tone for a really great transaction.
The more that you disclose, the better for the buyer. Be honest. You want to sell your house? You want to sell it fast? Or do you want to sit on the market?
So be prepared. Ask your realtor what they need from you, and we will help guide you to make this a good transaction for you.